Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is November weekly reading from November 23rd to 29th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces, water sign. Or Sagittarius, fire sign. So under the deck, 7 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, the Sun. Maybe you're dealing with Leo and 9 of Wands and King of Swords. So in these recent times, you are thinking through their logical mind. Yes, you are using your logical mind and you are guarded up. You are not opening up to love especially. And the Sun, yeah, there is some big news and big happiness is coming in your way. Or there is some positive shift is coming in your life. Cancer, yeah, you are doing something and you're working hard towards your goals. There is some stability is coming for you, either in career or in finances. 7 of Cups, maybe you have a lot of options, or you are fantasizing about your dream, or you're fantasizing about someone here, or for some you have options, or for some you are in some little bit confusion. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Empress, Queen of Cups and Death. So in recent past, maybe you both were separated, or there were a lot of issues going between you and your person. But you still have strong emotions, but you want to choose yourself instead of that person. That's why you're taking your power back. In recent past, you took your power back here. Yeah. And lots of you, it was ended between you and your person. Then present, King of Wands, Judgment and Queen of Pentacles. So you will make some decision regarding your life. Very important decision here, Cancer. You're taking your power back here and you're shifting your focus from relationship to career. Yeah, you're just focusing on your work here. And you're very caring and sharing person here. Then future, the Moon, Temperance and 4 of Swords. There are some issues, maybe trust issues, illusions in your mind regarding your person or regarding your life, but you're just balancing things in your life. You're trying to balancing things, and at the same time you're just taking rest and you're healing here. Yeah, lots of you both are in no contest situation, especially from your side. Your guards are up and you're just taking rest, Cancer. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces especially. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Page of Cups with the Fool. Yeah, maybe they want to apologize you and they want brand new beginnings with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Maybe you're dealing with Libra. Okay, their intentions. Wow. Yeah. Under the deck, King of Wands, 7 of Wands, 9 of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. There are some obstacles in this relationship and they want to overcome. Yeah, they want to fight for your love and they want to take action soon, and they're wishing and they're praying for this connection. So the current feelings, Four of Swords, Justice, and Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, lots of you, I already told you, no contact situation here, but your person wants second chance here, Cancer, and they really want to work on this relationship. Yeah, this time your person serious about you because Eight of Pentacles with Justice. If you are in relationship or in past you both are in relationship, not married, now they want to marry you. They're thinking about marriage and long term with you. And their intentions, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and King of Cups. They do love you, but they're not expressing. Maybe your person having hard time to express their feelings, but they want partnership. For some, you both could be colleagues working in same area or same office. They really want to offer their cup of flow to you. King of Cups. They do love you here and they want to offer their cup of flow to you. So Queen of Swords. But your person is right now thinking through their logical mind. Maybe they're not showing their emotions, but deeply they have so many feelings for you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Libra. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. 5. Maybe they have regrets for what they did to you in past. Yeah, they're realizing you both here. Maybe they're praying for this connection. The star, they're hoping, they're wishing for this connection. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius and they really want to be with you and they want this 10 of Cups with you and they want rebirth in this relationship, because for some it was already ended between you and your person, but they want success and rebirth in this relationship. Cancer. I think you are juggling here. You are trying to balance things in your life, and you are in a defensive mode. You are protecting yourself or you're protecting your emotions, and you also have to make some decision here. And lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Right now you're focusing on your money. There will be financial stability for you, and you will receive some text or communication here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. King of Swords with Six of Swords, the Tower. Yeah, communication is coming, apology is coming, but you are taking your power back here. Maybe lots of you decided to move on from this person due to trust issues or due to past issues. Yeah, you're still missing, you both missing, but you don't know whether to accept this person or move on because you have a lot of fears regarding this relationship. For some, a brand new person is entering in your life, but they're going to approach you. They want second chances, but I think lots of you decided to move on from this person. Or some of you maybe want to fix things with you, but I am not seeing. Lots of you decided to move on here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But now they have regrets. Twin flames, maybe lots of you are in twin flame journey. I'm feeling sad without you, stability is coming. Twin flames, I'm feeling sad without you, instability is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Don't show your attitude or pride to anyone. And under the deck, the end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. So if you're going through a difficult phase, and that phase is going to be end very soon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.